ready to sound like a pro on your streams and recordings. Let's cut the muddled audio and get your microphone crystal clear in OBS Studio. First, find the Sources panel, usually at the bottom of your OBS Studio window. If it's missing, go to View then Docs and make sure Sources is checked. Now, click the plus button located at the bottom of the Sources panel. This will open a menu of options. From the menu, select Audio Input Capture. This tells OBS you want to use a microphone. A Create, Select Source box will pop up. Give your microphone a descriptive name, like My Blue Yeti or Headset Mic. This helps keep things organized. Then click OK. Next, the Properties window for your new audio input will appear. Click the Device drop-down menu. Choose your microphone from the list of available devices. Make sure you select the correct one. If your mic isn't listed, double-check that it's plugged in and properly installed on your computer. Once selected, click OK. Great! You should now see your microphone in the audio mixer. Talk into your microphone, and you should see the audio levels moving. If you don't see any movement, double-check your selected device in the properties again. To fine-tune your microphone, click the gear icon next to its name in the audio mixer. This opens the Filters window where you can add effects like noise suppression and gain to further enhance your audio. Experiment to find what sounds best for you. And that's it. You've successfully added and configured your microphone in OBS Studio. Your streams and recordings are about to sound a whole lot better. Go create something amazing.